Okay, cool. Just real quick, this is a video to let you know what to do with the wireframe if you haven't tried the frame generator. So this is what you should see when you download and open that file. But what we want to do is open a assembly, start a new one, and we're going to pop that in there. We're going to place it from our file wherever you downloaded it to. You go over to here, your choices are, you have a couple choices here, but you just want place. And then wireframe, open, and you place it. You have to just click it, and then you can escape. Alright, and whoop. Why is that acting funky? Alright, so it's got the base point very far away. We'll fix that later. Okay, that's better. Now you go to, here's a symbol, we want to go over to design, insert frame. You must save it, so, do I want to save it? Sure. Make a new folder so I don't get confused. Okay. Just don't want to overwrite any of the old stuff. Alright, now, here we go. We have all our standards. ANSI, and then all these other guys. ANSI and ISO you should have heard of. I don't know half of these. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know anything but ANSI and ISO. What we're using is square tube. That should be it for the most part. And then you can, I mean, if there's something else you see in there, 2 by 2 by 1/8. And then you can select the material and you scroll up. Always want to, so I don't know if we should use this one because that looks like an actual weld. I don't know what AHC means yet, so I've been selecting this, and then the appearance as material, and you select, you can do this first, where it's going to go. And once you're here, like, you can select the orientation, how it lines up with that line. And you can also click here to have like an offset if it doesn't quite meet up where you want it. But I'm just, for right this second, going to go with this. It generates a part, and you'll see that part over here on the left. Let's see, right there is the part that it generated. And it saved that, and then we're going to insert another frame. We're going to do this, apply. And what I think you might want to try is to mess around with the options here. For example, you can miter these two. That's kind of the easiest thing when you have these junctions, and that looks pretty, but if they don't meet up right, then it's going to be really ugly. And in the end, the tricky part, hopefully you can try this, the welding. Where was the weld? Okay, so 3D model, I think it's all the way in environments, convert to weldment. Once it's converted, you can never go back. It is the event horizon of a black hole. Okay, click yes. And then sure, and then there are different things, and the way this works is if you click here on preparation, then you can click here on how you want to prepare, and then you'll like chamfer, and you'll do an edge, and you'll say apply, and create chamfer, created problems because you don't know what you're doing. Okay, yeah. Anyways, or you can just try, so that would, alright, so we'll just do it a place where it will work, chamfer. And what that does is lays a groove so that you can apply your weld, and it creates a place to sort of fill in. And let's try this again, apply. Okay, cancel. You know, it's just interfering with something that happened with the miter. So that means this might be more difficult. So if I click weld, then I click fillet, and I click, Alright, I am going to try this, chain, let's see, just the first part. Alright, let's just do this. So we want to weld this top piece to, is it selecting the second one now? 2, and there, you can see the preview of the weld. Now the other challenge, if you start getting fancy, If I press apply right now, it'll lay a bead there. You can change the contour, intermittency if you want gaps, and then this is the direction how it's sort of applied in a sense. And here you go. You can write whatever you want there, your welding symbols, and then you would click apply there. I say cancel to that. Actually, screw it. Let's see if we can get that in there. I haven't had much practice with that. So let's just apply that weld. Yeah, now we've got a welding symbol. Make sure it's the right one because they will do it PFP. I mean, something about per print. There you go. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and talk to you soon.